This is a sleek, modern Asian two-story house located here in the historical island of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu City. And welcome back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I am a trusted Cebuano licensed real estate broker. Please do us a favor of hitting the like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell button to get more notifications from us whenever we upload new videos. Right now, we're here inside a gated subdivision with a 24-hour security. And we'll be featuring this brand new house with a 4-bedroom, 3-toilet and bathroom, and a 2-car carport. Now join me as we will be showing to you this brand new house. This house has a land area of 144 square meters and a floor area of square meters. And this can be yours for only 14 million pesos. So this is the first gate and the other one is for the cars. On my right is the carport, which can fit 2 cars. And from the carport, it goes straight to the service area. On my left is the front yard leading to the other side of the property. Now, if you're a plantito or a plantita, you will surely love this space. Let's head on to the main house. This is the main entrance of the property, and this is the living area. Notice the warm light in the cove lights. From the living area, we head on to the dining area. The warm light in the ceiling makes this space very cozy. This is the dining area, which can fit at least 6-seater dining table. On my right is the kitchen, while on my left is the guest room here on the ground floor. Now let's check first the guest room. This is the guest room here. We already have an air conditioner and also a built-in cabinet. This is a built-in cabinet here in the ground floor. And the guest room has an ensuite toilet and bathroom. Now let's go to the kitchen area. This is the kitchen area or the main kitchen, and what we have here is we have a lot of cabinets where you can store your cooking stuff. And here we have a gas range and also a built-in oven. Then we have a range hood. The circuit breaker is cleanly or neatly placed here in the kitchen area. And from here we have the powder room. Since a lot of Filipinos would love to cook some fried foods, then you can do it here in the auxiliary or daily kitchen. The daily kitchen also has some cabinets on top where you can put some of your cooking stuff. Then we also have here the water tank and also the water pressure. The service area has the maid's quarter. What you will be loving the most in this maid's quarter is that it also has its built-in cabinet. This can fit a single to double-sized bed. Then, we also have an ensuite toilet and bathroom here in the maid's quarter. Now let's head on to the main house. Now we're heading on to the bedroom area on the second floor. Here in the landing area, we don't need a chandelier here during daytime because of this human-sized windows which allows the natural light to go inside the staircase. Here we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bathroom. Now let's check first bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1 and it can fit a single-size to double-sized bed. And then we also have the built-in cabinet and also an AC. Now let's go to bedroom number 2. In between bedrooms 1 and 2 is our shared toilet and bathroom for the 2 bedrooms. This is a shared toilet and bathroom, and the bathroom area is already enclosed with a glass enclosure. Then you may check also that the bathroom area already has a hot and cold shower. We have here the bidet for the water faucet. Then if you love to have some blowers, then you can use this outlet here. Now let's head on to bedroom number 2. Unlike bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2 is quite bigger than bedroom number 1. This can fit a double-sized to a queen-size bed. And then we also have these wide windows with a screen door, which allows the natural air and light to go inside. And aside from that, we have the built-in cabinet. Now, and then the AC also. Now let's head on to the master's bedroom. Twice as big as bedrooms number 2 and 1, the master bedroom is very spacious and also well lit. It has its own balcony here on this side, where you would spend your lovely afternoon looking at the sunset here in this area. Imagine having coffee or breakfast with your loved ones in this space, diba? So romantic. So this is the bedroom area, and we have our own closet or cabinet here, built-in cabinets. This is for the hers, while this is for the his. Then a lot of spaces here for your shoes or collection of bags. Then we also have the ensuite toilet and bathroom. Here in the ensuite toilet and bathroom, we have his and her sink on this side. Then our bathtub. The shower area is already enclosed with a glass enclosure, and it has a hot and cold shower. Very cozy, and also the space, it has a lot of space here. Then we have a split type air conditioner for this bedroom. Remember guys, we have shown you bedrooms 1 and 2 with a window type air conditioner, while for the master bedroom we have the split type air conditioner. So to wrap up everything, this property has a land area of 144 square meters and a floor area of 156 square meters. We are very close to the white sand beaches here in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. And then pretty close to Mactan Cebu International Airport if you love to go traveling all over the world. So this place is the perfect place for you. This is priced at 14 million pesos. So should you wish to inquire about this property, to know more about this one, please call us at 0917-7999-429 or please send us an email at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com, or you may also send us a message at our Facebook page, Cebu Elegant Properties. Once again, my name is Christine and I am your trusted Cebuana licensed real estate broker. With Cebu Elegant Properties, we turn your realty dreams into a reality. Thank you and God bless.